Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 8, Fundamentals of Anatomy, Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. First, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of structure of organism with focus on organs, tissues and systems. Okay? The word anatomy is derived from the Greek ana, which means up, and tomy, which means a cutting. Cambridge Dictionary defines anatomy as the scientific study of the body and how its parts are arranged. Next is physiology. Physiology is the study of how the components of the body function. The root word of physiology is physi, which refers to the body, and ology means the study of. Physiology is the study of normal functions within living beings. Okay. Next is Kinesiology. Kinesiology is the study of motion or movement. This involves the study of how one acquires motor skill, the mechanical aspects of movement, and the body's responses to physical activity. Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines kinesiology as the study of the principles of mechanics and anatomy in relation to human movement. Okay. Now we will know importance of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in physical education. First, it provides the knowledge of structure of various organs. It provides the knowledge about the function of various organs. Next, it's useful in the prevention of sports injury. Next, it's useful in the selection of sports. It helps in the process of rehabilitation. It helps in maintaining healthy body. Last is, it helps to know about individual difference. Next, functions of skeletal system and classification of bones. The human skeleton is the internal framework of the body. It is composed of around 270 bones at birth. This number decreased to around 206 bones by adulthood. The bones vary in size, shape and strength. The human skeleton can be divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton comprises skull 28 bones, sternum 1, ribs 24 bones, vertebral column 26 in adult and 33 in children, hyoid bone 1, and appendicular skeleton comprises upper limb 64 bones and lower limb 62 bones. Now we will know functions of bones. First, they give shape to our body. Bones support the internal organs and prevent injury. They act as levers for movements. They permit attachment of various muscles. It allows for shape of the body to be defined as well as adds stability to movement. Formation of blood cells takes place in the bone marrow. Bone marrow produces the cellular elements of the blood, including platelets, red blood cells and white blood cells. Next, bones store body fats in the form of triglycerides. Next is classification of bones. First, long bone. Long bone is one that is cylindrical in shape, being longer than width. This is the picture of long bone. Example of this: radius, ulna, tibia, fibula, etc. Next is short bone. A short bone is one that is cube-like in shape, being approximately equal in length, width and thickness, like carpal bone and tarsal bone. This is the picture of short bone. Next, flat bones. Flat bones is typically thin. It is also often carved. Example include the cranial skull bones, sternum, scapula, etc. This is the picture of flat bone. Next, irregular bones. An irregular bone is one that does not have any easily characterized shape and therefore does not fit any other classification. These bones tend to have more complex shape, like the vertebra. This is irregular bone. Okay? Last is sesamoid bones. Sesamoid bone is a small round bone. Sesamoid bone protect tendon by helping them overcome compressive force. The patella in the knee area are the only sesamoid bones that are common in every person. See, this picture is sesamoid bones. This is patella. This round bone is sesamoid bones. That's all for today. Thank you.